reason why I choose to carve a star. A star is like me in a way. As we can see, it stays in one place but reaches people far away with its light. Just like me, staying here, far from my home, family, but still I can communicate with them with my words. A star shines by using energy inside it, and I shines by using what I've learned to help, support, guide, or inspire the people around me. Even though the star is far, but the light of it can reach us. Like the star, I'm here to brighten my path quietly, steadily, to overcome my goals. That's all. Thank you.